here at BMW of Bridgewater, and today we're going to talk about the massaging chair in this beautiful 2021 BMW X5M. And to locate the massaging button, it's right over on the door panel. There's also a massage menu, so you're going to click on the car, and then you're going to go to setting. You're going to click on seat comfort, and then you're going to go to driver or passenger seat, whichever one you prefer, and then you're going to hit seat massage. And then here are all the different types of massages you can have for your seat. So if you want to do the whole body, I would click the whole body exercise. I hope this tip was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local BMW dealer.